A substance has Q is equal to 84,000 joules, M is equal to 2 kilograms, and delta T is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. What is its specific heat capacity? The specific heat capacity is calculated using the formula C is equal to Q, M asterisk delta T, which in this case is 84,000 to asterisk 10 is equal to 4,200 joules kg superscript 1 K superscript 1. This value specifically corresponds to the heat capacity of water, a common reference in physics problems. What is the C unit of specific latent heat? Specific latent heat is the amount of heat energy required to change the state of a unit mass of a substance without changing its temperature. L is equal to Qm. Its C unit is joules per kilogram, J/kg, which represents energy per unit mass. J degree C is the unit for heat capacity, which measures energy required to change temperature. Jm is not a standard unit for thermal properties and represents energy per unit length. Js is the unit for power, also known as the watt. What phenomenon is described as a visible result of the discharge producing heat and sparks? Lightning is a massive electrostatic discharge between clouds or between a cloud and the ground, resulting in a sudden release of energy. This discharge heats the air to extreme temperatures, creating the visible spark we see. What is released during nuclear fusion as light and heat? Nuclear fusion is the process where light atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This process powers stars like the Sun and is governed by Einstein's mass-energy equivalence formula, E is equal to mc superscript 2. How many water molecules are lost when magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is gently heated? Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, MgSO 4.7H2O, also known as Epsom salt, contains 7 molecules of water of crystallization. When heated, it loses all 7 water molecules to become anhydrous magnesium sulfate. 8 is incorrect because the chemical formula specifically denotes a heptahydrate, 7 water molecules. 5 water molecules are associated with copper sulfate pentahydrate, not magnesium sulfate. 6 is incorrect as the stable crystalline form of Epsom salt contains 7 water molecules. How is heat primarily transferred in hot air balloons? Convection is the primary mode of heat transfer in fluids like air, where heated particles become less dense and rise, creating a continuous circulation current. In a hot air balloon, the burner heats the air inside the envelope, and this convective movement provides the lift necessary for flight. What type of change involves the absorption of heat? An endothermic change is a process that absorbs thermal energy from its surroundings to proceed, such as melting ice or evaporation. In these reactions, the enthalpy of the products is higher than that of the reactants because energy is taken in. Which process involves a liquid being converted to a solid by releasing heat? Freezing is the phase transition where a liquid turns into a solid as it releases thermal energy to its surroundings. This is an exothermic process that occurs when the temperature drops to the substance's specific freezing point. Wrong. A. Melting is an endothermic process where a solid absorbs heat to transition into a liquid state. Wrong. B. Condensation involves a gas turning into a liquid, which releases heat but represents a different state change. Wrong. D. Vaporization is the process of a liquid absorbing heat to become a gas, which is the opposite of releasing heat. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.